Welcome to the third part of our BioTek tutorial. My name is Wolfram Franke and I'm the main developer of BioTek. In the last tutorial, we showed you how to load a custom sample. This is all nice and fine, but I now like to show you how to create basic sound with a sawtooth wave that you are all familiar with from loads of synthesizers. So let's change the first oscillator to not play a sample, but to play the sawtooth waveform, which sounds like that. Very plain and simple. And to get the sound a little bit thicker, we add a second oscillator, which we also set to a sawtooth wave. And we detune both oscillators so that we get a nice flanging or beating effect. Just detune it a little bit. You can hear it already. Make it a little bit stronger. There you go. I would like to have it an octave lower, so I go to the common section and just set it to minus octave. This is very nice. Okay, this sound obviously is quite boring right now, so we go to the filter page and add a little filter to it. It is already set to a 6 dB one-pole filter, but the typical synthesizer filter is a 24 dB low-pass filter. Let's select it and reduce the cutoff frequency so that we can hear what it really does. A little lower, like that. As you can hear, there's already some modulation going on, which actually is the third envelope. You can control it here. This little triangle which shows you which modulations affect this particular parameter. And in this case, it's envelope 3. So let's just click on it, and it goes to a page where everything is green. This is the page where you do modulation assignments. Let's go to the envelope 3 and 4 page at the bottom so that we can see the envelope 3, which is here in the background. And we can now strengthen or weaken the modulation amount. Let's set it to this. Okay, now to change the envelope, you must get out of this page by clicking on this little button here. And now you can change the envelope by shortening it, setting sustain to 0 or lengthen it as you like, or make it softer. Well, sounds like a typical brass sound. Or back to 0 to get a percussive bass sound, for example. This sound clearly can use even more thickness, and we can do that, for example, by applying a chorus effect. Usually you have 4 effect slots, and I like to keep distortion on the first effect, modulation like chorus or flanger or phaser on the second effect, delay on the third, and reverb on the fourth, but you can do it any way you like. Let's for now just select the chorus effect into effect slot 1, switch it on, make sure the effect mix is turned up here to fully, and now we can listen to the chorus effect. Oh, that's quite nice, isn't it? More on that and modulations and everything associated with it in the next part of the tutorial. I hope you liked it. See you later. Bye.